Bazzite versus Aurora. Choosing the right Linux gaming OS can transform your gaming experience without the usual compatibility headaches. We'll explore Bazzite and Aurora, two powerful options designed for gamers seeking performance and stability. Bazzite and Aurora are specialized Linux distributions tailored for gaming. Bazzite focuses on a streamlined KDE desktop experience optimized for AMD hardware, while Aurora offers a more versatile environment with broader hardware support and a focus on ease of use for gamers. Bazzite is a Linux gaming OS built around KDE Plasma, designed to deliver a fast, stable, and visually appealing environment specifically optimized for AMD systems. It integrates essential gaming tools and drivers out of the box, reducing setup time for gamers. The OS supports a curated selection of gaming-focused software and provides a lightweight experience with minimal background processes, ensuring maximum performance. Its strengths lie in its tailored AMD support, smooth KDE interface, and community-driven updates that keep it current with gaming trends. However, Bazzite's focus on AMD hardware means users with other setups might face limited driver support or require manual configuration. It's ideal for gamers seeking a polished desktop experience with AMD components who want a ready-to-go system without heavy customization. Bazzite's commitment to stability and performance makes it a solid choice if your hardware aligns well with its optimizations. Aurora is a Linux gaming OS designed for flexibility and broad hardware compatibility, making it suitable for a wider range of gamers. It emphasizes ease of use, bundling popular gaming platforms, drivers, and performance tweaks into a user-friendly package. Aurora supports multiple desktop environments, allowing users to choose their preferred interface, which adds to its versatility. This OS excels at accommodating various GPUs, including both AMD and NVIDIA, and offers automatic driver installation to simplify setup. Its strengths include extensive hardware support, customization options, and a focus on delivering a seamless gaming experience without deep Linux knowledge. On the downside, Aurora's broader scope can introduce more background processes, slightly affecting system resources compared to leaner alternatives. It's best suited for gamers who want a hassle-free, adaptable Linux gaming OS that works well across different hardware configurations and who appreciate the option to personalize their setup. When comparing Bazzite and Aurora, the choice depends largely on your hardware and preferences. Bazzite shines on AMD systems, offering a sleek KDE environment with minimal overhead, perfect for users prioritizing performance and a consistent desktop experience. For example, AMD gamers looking for optimized drivers and stability will benefit from Bazzite's focused approach. Aurora, however, caters to a broader audience with its support for both AMD and NVIDIA GPUs and multiple desktop options. This makes it ideal for gamers with mixed hardware or those who want more customization without complex setup. Aurora's automatic driver management and user-friendly design reduce the learning curve, but it may use slightly more system resources. In real-world scenarios, Bazzite is great for streamlined gaming rigs, while Aurora fits well in diverse setups requiring flexibility and ease of use. Choose Bazzite if you have AMD hardware and want a lightweight KDE-based Linux gaming OS focused on performance and stability without unnecessary extras. Aurora is the better choice if you need broad hardware compatibility and a customizable, user-friendly Linux gaming OS that supports both AMD and NVIDIA setups. Its versatility and ease of use make it a strong contender for gamers seeking flexibility and simplicity.